أهلا وسهلا again. This is a very short video about colors, male and female colors, because we have gender in Arabic. So, and colors are adjectives. So we have male colors and female colors. And also, we are introducing here demonstratives. Demonstratives are like this and that, those, these pronouns. So all the male colors and female colors we're having in this video, in this presentation, they rhyme. They follow the same rule. They are very easy. The first one we're having is akhdar, akhdar, which is green, akhdar, and the female one is khadra, akhdar, khadra. أخضر خضراء أحمر حمراء, which is red. أحمر حمراء أحمر حمراء. Can you notice what we do to change from male to female? We remove the first alif and we put it at the end without hamza, and we put the hamza on the line and we change some moves. أخضر خضراء أحمر حمراء أصفر, which is yellow. صفراء أصفر صفراء أصفر صفراء أسمر, which is black. سمراء أسمر سمراء أسمر سمراء. See how they all rhyme? Let's read all the male colors. The first column: أخضر أحمر أصفر أسمر. The second column: خضراء حمراء صفراء سمراء. They all rhyme and they follow the same rule to make the male female. We remove the first alif and we put it at the end, and we put hamza on the line, and we change some moves. أخضر becomes خضراء, أحمر حمراء, أصفر صفراء, أسمر سمراء. Asmar is black, but for people. But for things, we say aswad. This is black for things. Aswad, سوداء. أسود سوداء أسود سوداء أسود سوداء أسود سوداء. If you described a person as aswad, this is an insult in the Arab culture, because in the Arabian Peninsula and the ancient time, the Arabs used to have slaves, and when they wanted to insult them, they were black, from Eritrea, I guess, from Africa. And when they wanted to insult them, they used to describe them as aswad or sauda. This is an insult when you describe a person with this word. But when you want to describe their skin, their feature, and if they are black, you can say asmar samra. This is for people. Asmar samra. But for aswad and sauda, these are for things. And when we use them to describe people, black people, this is kind of insult in the Arab culture. Because even the Arabs used to have slaves, unfortunately, before the coming of Islam. Then when Islam came, it fought all of these things. Then Abiyat, Baida, which is white. Abiyat, Baida. أبيض بيضاء أبيض بيضاء أبيض بيضاء أزرق blue زرقاء أزرق زرقاء أزرق زرقاء. Let's do them again, and you decide, and you guess, or you try to remember how we do the The female. أخضر. What's the female of أخضر? خضراء. أحمر. Try to guess. Try to remember. حمراء. What's the female of أصفر? صفراء. What's the female of أسمر? سمراء. What's the female of أسود? سوداء. What's the female of أبيض? بيضاء. What's the female of أزرق? زرقاء. Let's read them again together. أخضر. خضراء. أحمر. حمراء. أصفر. صفراء. أسمر. سمراء. أسود. سوداء. أبيض. بيضاء. أزرق. زرقاء. Again. أخضر. خضراء. أخضر. خضراء. أحمر. حمراء. أصفر. صفراء. أحمر. حمراء. أصفر. صفراء. أسمر. سمراء. أسمر. سمراء. أسود. سوداء. أسود. سوداء. أبيض. بيضاء. أبيض. بيضاء. أزرق. زرقاء. أزرق. زرقاء. Okay, these are the demonstratives. We are having only 2 today. But actually, I keep searching for the cursor. It moves in front of you in the video, but I cannot see it on the presentation. For some reason, it's weird. But anyway, okay. هذا, it means this for a male thing or person. هذه, it means this for a female person or thing. So repeat after me. هذا. هذه. هذا for males. هذه for females. هذا. This is ها, ذال, ألف. ها, ذال, ها. But at the end of the word, not linked. هذا. هذه. هذا. هذه. هذا. هذه. هذا. هذه. Now we are making sentences with the demonstratives and the words we were having with the silent slam and the pronounced slam and with the colors males and females. See these sentences. We are reading them together. I keep searching for the cursor. I cannot see it, but you can see it in the video. It's weird. Anyway, هذا الضفدع. See, I don't pronounce lamb because it doesn't have move, because it's lamb shamsiya, or a sun lamb because it's followed by dot, which is a sun letter. هذا الضفدع أخضر. This frog is green. We don't have verb to be in Arabic. هذا الضفدع أخضر. This frog is green. هذا الدلو أزرق. This bucket is blue. We don't have verb to be. This bucket is blue. هذا الدلو أزرق. This frog is green. هذا الضفدع أخضر. هذه الزرافة صفراء. This giraffe is yellow. هذه السوسن بيضاء. This lily flower is white. Okay, did you notice that هذا is male and أخضر is male? Because ضفدع is male. The whole sentence is male. هذا is male. أزرق is male because دلو is male. هذه is male. صفراء is male. I'm sorry. هذه is female. صفراء is female because زرافة is female. هذه again is female. بيضاء is female because سوسن is female. the name is female, and being a flower is female. Flowers are females in the Arabic language. Okay, let's read the sentences again together. هذا الضفدع أخضر. هذا الدلو أزرق. هذه الزرافة صفراء. هذه السوسن بيضاء. Okay, I'll read and I'll give you a longer pause to repeat after me, word by word. هذا الضفدع أخضر. هذا الضفدع أخضر. Now you repeat the whole sentence. هذا الضفدع أخضر. هذا الضفدع أخضر. هذا الضفدع أخضر. Word by word. هذا الدلو أزرق. هذا الدلو أزرق. هذا الدلو أزرق. The whole sentence. You repeat the whole sentence. هذا الدلو أزرق. هذا الدلو أزرق. هذا الدلو أزرق. Word by word. هذه الزرافة صفراء. هذه الزرافة صفراء. The whole sentence, or word by word again. One more time. هذه الزرافة صفراء. The whole sentence. هذه الزرافة صفراء. هذه الزرافة صفراء. هذه الزرافة صفراء. هذه الزرافة صفراء. Word by word. هذه السوسن بيضاء. هذه السوسن بيضاء. هذه السوسن بيضاء. The whole sentence. هذه السوسن بيضاء. هذه السوسن بيضاء. هذه السوسن بيضاء. Okay, let's read them again. هذا الضفدع أخضر. هذا الدلو أزرق. هذه الزرافة صفراء. هذه السوسن بيضاء. That's it. Thank you very much. Happy studying.